In this short video, I'll explain how to use the new Edits by Instagram on your laptop for creating amazing reels and stories. While this fantastic tool is making waves for mobile creators, things are a little different if you prefer editing on a bigger screen. I'm going to show you the best ways to achieve similar results and streamline your Instagram video editing workflow on your computer. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. Before we jump in, if this video helps you out and you'd like to support what we do, check the pinned comment below. I've added useful Instagram resources there for you too. Now let's get started. While there is currently no official Edits by Instagram software available for laptops running Windows or macOS, that doesn't mean you're completely out of luck if you prefer the power and interface of a laptop for video editing. An option to get the full edit experience on your laptop is to use an Android emulator on your Windows or macOS laptop. An Android emulator is software that creates a virtual Android device on your computer, allowing you to run Android apps. Popular emulators include BlueStacks, Nox Player, and LD Player. Let's go through the steps. Choose an emulator and follow the installation instructions on their website. For this tutorial, we'll be using BlueStacks, so search for it, download and install it. Once installed, you'll need to set up the emulator, often involving signing in with a Google account, just like a new Android phone. Open the Google Play Store within the emulator, search for Edits by Instagram and install the app. Open the Edits app within the emulator and log in with your Instagram account. Once you've done this, you should be able to use the Edits by Instagram app within the emulator environment on your laptop. This would give you access to all the features of the mobile app on a larger screen. It's important to note that emulators can be resource-intensive and may require a fairly powerful laptop to run smoothly. The performance of the Edits app within an emulator might not be as fluid as on a native mobile device. You might experience lag or glitches. While this method offers the closest experience to using the Edits app on a laptop, it comes with potential drawbacks in terms of setup complexity, performance, and compatibility. To explore more Edits by Instagram video tutorials, click this card. If this video helped and you'd like to support what we do, feel free to buy me a coffee, links in the pinned comment. Check the description below for more helpful tutorials. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment, and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for tuning in.